Welcome to Wealth Wizard, where small moves lead to big results. Today, let's dive into how you can flip $100 into $1,000 using simple, beginner-friendly strategies that actually work in 2025. First up, let's talk about turning that $100 into inventory. Head over to Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or your local thrift stores. Look for items that are underpriced or undervalued. With your $100, you can snag 3 to 5 items. Think electronics, small appliances, gaming accessories, or collectibles. Once you've got your items, take clear photos, clean them up, and list them on eBay, Mercari, or back on Facebook Marketplace for a higher price. If you choose wisely, you could easily turn that $100 into $200 or even $300 within a week. Now, what do you do with that $200 to $300? It's time to reinvest it into a small online hustle. Consider starting a digital Etsy store. Use tools like Canva or AI to design one-page templates, digital journals, or wall art. Set aside about $30 for Etsy fees and mock-ups, and use the rest for a Fiverr gig or Facebook ads to drive traffic to your store. Once your digital products are listed, they can sell on autopilot. Some stores have flipped $100 into $1,000 within a month if the products resonate with buyers. If you're more inclined towards active income, let's stack some services for speed. Offer services like resume writing, voiceovers, or product descriptions using ChatGPT or other AI tools. You can use your existing laptop and invest your remaining cash into a Fiverr Pro account upgrade or promotional tools. This way, you're converting your time into high-margin skills. With just $100 in promotions, you could book $1,000 worth of work over time. Once you've got a store or gig up and running, don't just sit back and wait for traffic to come to you. Spend $20 to $40 testing out platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts. Create basic how-to content using your phone, talk about your hustle, and link back to your offer. Even a video that gets just 1,000 views can trigger sales, downloads, or leads, transforming those one-time flips into ongoing income. Now here's a bonus tip. The key difference between those who successfully flip $100 into $1,000 and those who don't is consistency. It's about reinvesting and not being afraid to test new ideas. Start small, learn quickly, and double down on what works. This isn't about lottery thinking. It's about real money and real strategies. Remember, you don't need $10,000 to start building wealth. You just need a solid plan, the right mindset, and that $100 you're ready to flip. Think about how you would flip $100 this week.